Hello everyone. You would have received a message from teachers on WhatsApp. There is a link to download ReadToMe Student Edition in this message. Firstly, you will click on this link. Once you have clicked on the link, you will find this page on Google Play Store. From here, you have to download ReadToMe Student Edition. To download ReadToMe Student Edition, we'll first click on Install button. Now, the app has started installing. Now, once the app has installed, the Open button will activate it. We'll now click on the Open button. The ReadToMe Student Edition has been downloaded successfully. This is the first page you will see. You will have to click on the Start Now button. Now, let's start the sign up process. You will first have to enter your mobile number. After entering your mobile number, click on the Next button. The next page is this, which says, please enter your details to sign up. We'll first enter our full name. After entering your full name, we have to enter a password. Remember, please enter a simple password which you can remember easily. After entering the password, we have to select board. From this pop-up, you have to select your school board. After selecting a school board, you have to enter a partner code that has been provided to you by your teachers. After entering the partner code, you have to select your grade. From this pop-up, you can select your grade. After selecting your grade, you have to select your school location. From this pop-up, please select the state in which your school is located. After selecting this, you have to click on the Next button to sign up. Now you have signed up successfully on ReadToMe Student Edition. This is the Student Edition dashboard. Here you can change your grade. By clicking on this, a pop-up will come, and from this pop-up you can change your grade. Next you will see is Read Your School Textbooks. If you click on this card, you will be redirected to new page. You have to wait here for some time till ReadToMe is being installed. Once it has been installed, the textbooks for your grade will show up automatically. You can select the chapters you wish to download and click on the download button. Your chapters have been successfully downloaded and you have been redirected to this new page which is called ReadToMe. Here you can use multiple tools to read along with the chapter. Now click on the play button
the medical
to
sector.
read along with ReadToMe.
Clinic. Children, we are going to learn about the medical sector.
You can use other tools as well. You can select the word and click on the Translate Word button to translate into your regional language. You can also try Picture Dictionary, Pronounce Word,
medical,
English Dictionary, Spell Word,
MEDICAL, medical.
Now let's go back to the student dashboard. You will see supplementary content here, which you can view anytime you wish. There are many videos and images from which you can learn. You can learn new words and phrases here. Next, this is the progress dashboard. Clicking on this, you can view your progress on ReadToMe. Next, you can click on My Account. In My Account section, you can edit your profile. In case you have any problems related to ReadToMe Student Edition, please click on the Help icon and submit your problems, and we will help you solve those problems. Please remember, ReadToMe Student Edition is very important for students for after school chapter revision and to prepare better for exams.